Getting started with Rosetta Stone Mobile.
Download and install the Rosetta Stone mobile app from your device's app store. Sign up or log in, choose German as your target language, and set your learning goals. The app will guide you through initial setup, preparing a tailored learning path based on your experience and fluency objectives.
Daily lesson routine.
Commit to daily exercises. Using Rosetta Stone's bite-sized lessons, aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes each day. Lessons feature speaking, listening, reading, and writing components. Immediate feedback and immersive activities help reinforce vocabulary and grammar, building a strong foundation for conversational fluency.
Mastering pronunciation with TruAccent.
Use TruAccent, Rosetta Stone's speech recognition tool, to practice and perfect your German pronunciation. Repeat phrases and sentences as prompted by the app, paying close attention to the feedback. Consistent use of TruAccent helps you sound more natural and confident in real conversations.
Staying engaged and motivated.
Track your progress with the app's built-in milestones and achievements. Set reminders to keep your learning streak going. If you need extra motivation, try Rosetta Stone's stories or live tutoring sessions, where you can interact with native speakers or practice through engaging content.
Taking German beyond the app.
Reinforce your learning by using German outside of the app. Listen to German music, watch German videos with subtitles, or chat with friends. The combination of Rosetta Stone's structured lessons and authentic language experiences will help you achieve true conversational fluency in German.